Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over how I made these beautiful cakesicles. This is a part 2 from the Under the Sea theme. So like I said on the previous video, I made all of the details out of modeling chocolate. If you guys want to learn more about that, I will link part 1 under the description. So pretty much I just made a whole bunch of seashells, seahorses, sea stars, and I painted some of them gold, including the frames. For the frame, I just added glitter to a piece of modeling chocolate, and then I glued the frame on top with some chocolate. And like I said before, this is your chance to be creative and make it your own. I was just right here seeing what looks better to me, and again securing everything with chocolate. I also added a little bit of sprinkles. They looked so pretty. And then I just made the cakesicles using a cakesicle mold. I know some people put cake pop dough inside the mold and then just put it in the fridge and just dip it in some chocolate. I honestly like it better this way just because I feel like it looks cleaner. But there's so much that goes into cakesicles that I want to make a separate video explaining exactly how I make it. So please stay tuned for that. And right here, I'm just finishing the cakesicle. I'm going to place it in the fridge and let it harden. And right here, I'm just removing some more modeling chocolate from the mold, and I'm going to add glitter to this beautiful star. It's helpful to have a torch in the kitchen just because it's really easy to just warm up the chocolate that way. And right here, I'm just cleaning the edges, just making sure that everything looks smooth. So before adding the details, I did add some glitter, and I will link that down below for you guys. They're from Bakewell. And then I added that beautiful frame on top. Remember that each cakesicle is different, but they all go together perfectly because I'm using the same colors. So I made many different designs, and I made this one with the 2 seashells and a sea star in the middle. I glued everything together with some chocolate, and then I added a gold seashell. Okay, so right here I'm doing the same design, just different colors, but instead of the seashell, I'm doing a seahorse. I will be uploading a detailed cakesicle tutorial for anybody that has been having trouble with the cakesicles. But right here I'm just adding more details, some glitter, and then just gluing everything together again with some chocolate. Comment down below what you guys would charge for these cakesicles. I feel like the hardest part about selling is just charging the right price. I would say about $80 a dozen is a fair price, but what do you guys think? I used to charge about $55 a dozen, and by used to, I mean literally like I have an order this week that I charged $55 for, and it's not worth it for me. Each cakesicle, each cake pop takes so much time and so much love, and I just feel like we need to respect ourselves a little bit more and our time. This is time that we could be spending with our families. But what do you guys think? Would you guys say that $80 is a fair price for 12 cakesicles? With so much detail, with homemade bows, what do you guys think? Let's talk about it in the comments. And I'm really excited because I'm gonna be uploading the bow tutorial. I can't say this enough, but you guys should really be following my page because I'm gonna be uploading so many new tutorials and recipes. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying my videos, and if you do, show me some love and subscribe to my channel. So right here I'm just cleaning the sticks and prepping them for the bow. Now, a lot of people said that it might be too much with a bow. What do you guys think? This is what it looks like without a bow. There is so much detail on it, so much glitter and gold. But I'm gonna show you guys right now how it looks with a bow. So this is the bow that I ended up adding to the Cakesicles. What do you guys think? Is it too much detail or what? Remember that I will be uploading the tutorial for these bows pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. I will also be uploading part 3, which would be the cake that went along with the Under the Sea theme. And this is what the dessert table looked like. Those are the Cakepops from part 1, so if you haven't watched that, I'll link that down below. Okay, well that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.